Hi, my name is CJ and I'm going to show you how to cut and mount your wood handrail for your signature rod or cable railing system. Before you do this, make sure that all of your posts are mounted. Let's get started. Start by measuring the length of handrail you will need for your first run. For end posts, you will measure from the outside of the handrail bracket on the post. If your handrail will end on a corner post, you will have two handrails attached to that post. It will need to have a 3/8 inch overhang in order to align with the handrail running perpendicular to it. We are giving each side of this handrail a 3/8 inch overhang, which means we need to add 3/4 of an inch to this overall measurement. For best results, you will want to have one handrail terminate on the outside edge of the post and the other on the inside edge of the post. Make sure to be aware of this when measuring. If your run length is greater than 20 feet, you will need to use multiple pieces of handrail. Be sure to measure to the center of the bracket that the run will end on, not the end of it. Once you know the location of your handrail cuts, put painter's tape on the handrail to guard the area and mark your cut line. Step 2. Cutting. We recommend using a chop saw to cut your handrail. Make sure to use a blade that is suitable for cutting wood. As always, secure the handrail with clamps to keep it from jumping, and use ear and eye protection. Step 3. Mounting handrail. Place the cut handrail on top of the handrail brackets, making sure that it is in the desired position. Then, clamp the handrail to the outside handrail brackets on the first and last post of the run. If you are mounting to a corner post, attach the clamps to one edge of the handrail bracket as shown. Mark the handrail where each hole on the handrail bracket is. Now, move the clamps to the inside handrail brackets on the same posts. Mark the holes on this side of the handrail bracket. Then, set the handrail on a flat surface, making sure that the handrail brackets are aligned with the marks. Pre-drill all your holes using a 9/64 inch drill bit. Once the holes have been pre-drilled, use the provided mounting screws to attach the handrail. Now, put the handrail brackets back onto the post and tighten the handrail brackets using the Allen wrench. You've installed the first handrail in your system. We recommend working one handrail at a time rather than cutting all of your handrails first. When you mount handrail, it will pull the posts together, securing the system. If you cut all your handrails first, it could cause the measurements to be inaccurate. Thanks for watching this video on how to install your signature wood handrail. To learn how to install the rest of your signature rod or cable railing system, subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Viewrail or go to our website at viewrail.com.